Hello students, now our next point is multiplication of 3-digit numbers with a 1-digit numbers without regrouping. In that the example is given multiply 341 by 2. So it is given over here, it is arranged first in place value chart column and then we will perform the multiplication. So 341 multiplied by 2. So you have to multiply 2 by every digit given over here. So 2 ones are 2, starting from ones place. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 2 threes are 6. So your answer is 682. So 682 is your answer. Then example is given multiplication of 4-digit numbers with a 1-digit number. So 4-digit numbers are given. Example is multiply 1342 by 2. So first we need to arrange that numbers in the chart and then multiply 2. So starting from ones place we will start the multiplication. So multiply every digit of 1342 by 2. So 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2. So this way you can perform the multiplication. So with that we'll start our exercise 1.3. First find the product. First 423 multiplied by 2. So we'll multiply 2 by every digit of this 423. So starting from ones column. 2 threes are 6. Again 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. So your answer is here 846. Next 211 multiplied by 4. So multiply starting from ones column. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are again 4 and 4 twos are 8. So your answer is here 844. Next see 3212 multiplied by 3. So again starting from ones column we'll start multiplication. 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. You have to count the table up to the given digits. So D 1001 multiplied by 5. So starting from ones column you have to count the table of 5 up to one place. So 5 ones are 5. Again 5 zeros are, though the table it starts from 1, 5 ones are, 2 ones are, 3 ones are, but the table initially starts from 0. 5 zeros are, 2 zeros are, 3 zeros are. So if 0th number is there, so if any number multiplied by 0, your answer is 0. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. So your answer is over here 5005. Next 2102 multiplied by 4. Means you will count the table of 4 up to the given number of places. So 4 twos are, 4 zeros are, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Our every table it starts from 0. 4 zeros are 0. So you will solve the example. I hope you can try E and F sum. We'll go for next. Second, arrange in columns and multiply. So 322 multiplied by 3. So first we will arrange in arrange the given numbers in the given chart or the given columns. So 322, 2 is on ones place, 2 is on ones, 3 is on 100. Again 3 is on, as 3 is one digit number, so we will write 3 is on ones place. So starts from ones column. Count the table of 3 up to the given digit. So 3 twos are 6. Again 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. Next, I hope you can do the B sum. I'll solve here D sum. 1101 multiplied by 5. So first arrange the given value in the columns. 1 is on ones, 0 is on tens, 1 is on 100, and again 1 is on 1000. Next, multiplied by 5. As 5 is one digit number, so we'll write on the ones column 5. So let's do the multiplication. 5 ones are 5, but before 1 0 is there, so 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are again 5. So your answer over here is 5505. So it's very simple. For that you need to learn your tables. Question number 3, complete the multiplication will. So you can see the will is given, in that the numbers are also given, so you have to multiply 3 by the every number given in this will. So first is done for you, 3 into 100. So 3 ones are 3, and as 100 have 2 zeros, so we have write 2 zeros to the answer. So your answer is here 300. This is, in this way we'll have to do the multiplication. So we'll start 3 into 2. So 3 twos are 6. Again 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Next, 3 into 133. So 3 threes are, starting from ones place you will start the multiplication. So 3 threes are 9. Again 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Next, 3 into 101. So 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 ones are 3. So your answer is here 303. I hope you can try this remaining two